Did you know that nearly 92% of adults have had a cavity at some point in their lives? That's a staggering number. So, what really causes cavities, and how can we avoid them? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's dive into the world of cavities. Cavities, also known as dental caries, are one of the most common dental issues people face. They can lead to pain, infection, and even tooth loss if left untreated. Understanding what causes cavities is crucial for maintaining good oral health and preventing those painful dental visits. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of people think cavities happen just because you eat too much sugar. While sugar is definitely a key player, it's not the whole story. Cavities are actually caused by a combination of factors, including bacteria, poor oral hygiene, and even your diet. The truth is, bacteria in your mouth love sugar just as much as you do, and when they feast on it, they produce acid that eats away at your tooth enamel. But hang tight, because we're going to break it down a bit more. So, let's dig deeper into how this whole cavity thing works. When you eat sugary foods, you're not just treating yourself, you're giving those pesky bacteria a feast. As these bacteria break down sugar, they produce acid. This acid can start to erode your enamel, which is the protective outer layer of your teeth. If you don't brush and floss regularly to remove that sticky plaque, those acids can create tiny holes in your teeth, leading to cavities. And guess what? It's not just sugar that's to blame. Foods that are high in carbohydrates, like bread and pasta, can also contribute to this process. That's why maintaining good oral hygiene is super important. Brushing twice a day and flossing can help keep those cavity-causing bacteria in check. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.